Welcome back to the show, and it's now time for a Caribbean video of the week. It's Born to Win by Problem Child and Patrice Roberts. Pree Dis.
I am a winner, 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 I am a winner. I'm on top of the world. There ain't no bringing me down. I'm on top of the world. There ain't no bringing me down. Tell them I was born to win. I am a winner. Tell them I was born to win. I am a winner.
Bring drinks, start the vibe. Right now celebration time. Congratulations, man. I'm so high right now, cloud nine. Get a youth of it back in alive. And in case you can't tell me full of vibes.
A real talk, you're talking a problem, child. Oh.
I'm on top of the world. They never see the things we sight. They never fight the fight we fight. They never live the life we live. They never praise the God we praise. So now we start to see the light. And now we reaching higher heights. It's a must we celebrate. So put your hands up in the air. I'm on top of the world. There ain't no bringing me down. I'm on top of the world. There ain't no bringing me down. Tell them I was born to win. Tell them I was born to win.
Alright, every ghetto youth was born as a winner. Every mouth me hungry, have to eat dinner.
That was a Caribbean video of the week. Now it's time for the Superior Parts car care tip, also of the week. And you know you're watching Pree Dis, the best in entertainment and lifestyle.
Gas prices are always on the rise, but the good news is you can fight back. By properly maintaining your vehicle, you can improve fuel economy while saving some money. Keep your car properly tuned, keep your tires inflated. Using the right grade of motor oil can improve gas mileage, and replacing clogged air filters can also be a part of the solution. Car care tips brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable. Check out the details of their football fever promotion.
Superior Parts Limited presents Football Fever. Open to all customers who spend $5,000 or more at any of our 6 branches island-wide. Win scores of fantastic prizes: tires, HID kits, batteries, car mats, accessories, service kits, gift vouchers. It's Football Fever with 6 brand new bikes to be won. Calling all bikers, buy a bike and get a friend to buy a bike and you win great prizes. Rush to Superior Parts Limited. Purchase a bike, tires, new or used parts, accessories, or service items. Predict the 4 World Cup finalists for more winnings in the Superior Parts Football Fever. Incredible!
That was a Superior Parts car care tip of the week. Now, last week, Cranium was sitting at number 1 on the Pree Dis Top 10 chart with nobody have to know. But right now, let's see who's at number 1. Or if Cranium still holding down that spot with that LMR production song. Pree Dis Top 10 chart right now on your favorite show.
If you turn back, we me know have a problem. Problem, me know have a problem. If you wine and dip, me know have a problem. Problem, me know have a problem. Just show me for them must think say me stiff. But me a one girl know fi wine and dip.
My girl, you fi put on a wine, put on a wine, put on a wine, girl, put on a wine. Shake where you come from, now bother waste time. Me girl, can you fresh in your prime? My girl, you fi put on a wine.
What it up become a fat and my plumber. Make a catch and them a cock up my bumper. Show you the one where the man come back from. And me know it now live. No back down.
Love me, make me live my life. Do whatever they me like. I'm my life. I'm my life. Me do what me like.
Hey yo, take a good look. Me sure something here, me not the good book. No boy can't tell me some me good love. A gal a look.
Let me love you tonight as we get closer. Let me love you tonight. I know it's
See to a loved one, put your cups there, night. Night the feelings right. Going on a high grade flight. Dogs up roll up. A Miami Vice episode. We a star and a feel we show.
You got to be strong, strong to tread on. You got to be strong for you to live right.
Nobody nothing know, say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say you come over me yard. Baby, you know me love you bad. Nobody nothing know, say me and you a touch. Nobody nothing know, say you a give it up. Nobody nothing know, say you come over me yard. Baby.
Well, folks, that's all we have for you on this week's edition of Pree Dis. Of course, my name is Kruddy, and you can always follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at the Kruddy. That's TheKruddy. And I'm sure Devar will be putting the Twitter Pree Dis angle right here on the screen, and that's Pree Dis Show. So until next week, you already know my name. Big up Terrence. You know we're gonna celebrate Kevin's birthday. Today we're gonna just go to New York and all of these places. Big up everybody in New York, and thanks to all the viewers for always watching the show. Right now, Pree Dis, I'm out.